Hello everyone, hope you all doing good. So this time another unboxing. This is the ASUS TUF Z390-Plus gaming motherboard. This is the Wi-Fi edition. So some of you guys know that I'm in middle of my custom PC build. So this is the motherboard that I'm using for that build. So let's look at the box, and as you can see, the motherboard is look really nice. So I'll go through each component after the unboxing. So this is the high level look. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Let's keep this aside. So inside the box we have the motherboard I/O shield, and we have two standoff screws and two screws for the M.2 drives, M.2 SSD drives, and we have the user manual. So inside the user manual we have the driver CDs, which is already outdated drivers, so no need to use this. We have to download the drivers from the ASUS website, and they have included nice stickers, ASUS TUF Gaming, and another coupon code for the cable mode. So if you guys are going to use custom sleeves for your builds, you can have 20% off from the cable mode with this coupon code. And this is the user manual, and that's all inside the box. So keep those all in the box. And here we have this is the SATA data cable. You have two cables, and this is the inbuilt Wi-Fi antenna. That's that. Keep those aside, and this is the motherboard, and oh, there is another paperwork. Let's see. This is the certificate of reliability. So nice to include what they have used in this motherboard: the capacitors, solder bath, salt spray, and test. Oh, we don't need that. Let's keep this aside, and let's get into the motherboard. Wow, this looks really nice. This looks really nice. Wow. So you have the 4 RAM slots, which supports up to 4266 with overclock, and you have Aura Sync. This part is light up with this logo, and here is the VRAM and the EPU, and this is the CPU bracket, so everybody knows that. And this is the 24-pin connector, and this is the USB 3.1 Gen 1, and here you have the PCI and SATA and the M.2 drive. This is the 3 standoffs. You can use whatever the standoffs depending on your M.2 drive, and you have another M.2 and PCI 4 SATA port beneath this heatsink. So you have two ports on that, and this is your chipset. It's a 390 chipset, and this have two LED light strips, and you have two SATA ports and 4 in the bottom, so altogether 6, and another USB 3.1 port, and those are the conventional front panel connectors, and this is the audio connectors, and this is the Realtek S1200A, and ASUS telling that they are using premium Japanese audio capacitors. So that's that, and you have two 16 X16 PCI slots if you are going to use two graphics card. Apart from that, you have 4 PCI slots, and here you have the fan connectors as well as the AIO pump connector, and these are, let's see what's the IO ports looks in this motherboard. So for the IO ports, you have conventional mouse and keyboard ports, one display port, two USB 3.1 generation 2 ports, one HDMI port, and 4 USB 3.0 ports. This is your network cable port, and this is the inbuilt Wi-Fi connectors. So this Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth version is Bluetooth 5.0, and this is your audio connectors, and that's that. Yeah, that's all with the motherboard. I picked up this for $166. I'll include all the links to get this. I think each manufacturer is selling this for same price: Newegg, Amazon, Best Buy, all. So I'll include all the links in the description below. So, and that's it, guys. Let's wrap up the video. If you find this helpful, please make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.